Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find or how to know your GitHub username. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do is to simply log in into your GitHub account, and after that, you will need just to access either to your settings or you can simply access to your account or your profile. And here I'm already on the dashboard. So basically this is the dashboard and you would be needing to go to your profile. So there is this home and from here you will only find the latest changes, etc. But we are interested to go to the profile. And basically to go to the profile, you will be needing just to click on your profile picture and from here you can go to your profile and we can click on your profile and from here you will find your public name or this is the public name and at the bottom you will find your username. So basically this one is the username and this one is the public name, and also you can find it here in the URL. You can just see this github.com/your username. And another way to do it is to simply click on the profile picture and you will already find it here showing. And you can also click on edit profile and basically this is your name and that was your uh, username. And you can start changing your username by going to the settings and simply go to your account. So basically this public profile which we are not interested in and we need to go to the account. So from here, you will be able to start changing your username. You can simply click on change your username. Be aware of these dangers or of these notices and click I understand and let's change my username. And after that, you will have your username that will be changed. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.